Good morning, gorgeous. Hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are. So I wanted to show you all real quick. I got this wig. It's actually a synthetic wig. I just wanted to try it. I saw it on someone's page and I just wanted to try it because the way she had it, it actually looked like the human hair wig that I always wear, that people always ask me about, and most times when I tell them where I got it and the pricing, some people say it's too expensive, whatever, you know, everyone's pocket is not the same. So I saw this one and I was like, okay, yeah, let me try it. I got it on Amazon. And I was just like, just something to try. It looks good on this girl. Maybe it may be something I can use for an everyday wig. I tried it this morning and I wish I showed you when I got it out of the box. I cut the thing by myself and of course just sprayed the bottom to get it brown, you know, scalp-like. But I cut the lace by myself and it does come with this little, it's not really baby hair. It's not, but a little bit of that. But this is the whole hair. These are the curls. It is so beautiful. You would not believe how much the cost of this hair. Like, it is amazing. Like, all I had to do was brush it out and the curls turned out like this. And let me try it on just so y'all can see how beautiful, oops, this hair is. And I'm not a wig influencer, so whatever I do, bear with me. Look at that. Just look at that. The curls even sit better than my human hair wig. All I have to do is like do a little bump like this if I want to, but I'm not gonna do that because, well, it actually sits even without me doing that with the hot comb. I haven't used any heat or anything on it. I just put a little bit of gel here to kind of lay it down, and then it does have a comb in the back, of course, to keep it tight. So I just place the comb. It's actually kinky texture. And it's so beautiful. So this is my everyday wig. I think I want to go buy it in black and other colors because it just looks like human hair. Like, it just looks like a well layered wig. And I haven't done anything. Like, I only brushed out the curls and this is how it came out. Like, it looks amazing, y'all. It does look amazing. It's so beautiful. So that's what I wanted to share with you all today to start out this vlog. Of course, it's still Memorial Day weekend in Houston and today is Saturday. I have something really just got on my last nerve this morning. Let me show you. My shower head isn't working. Look, it's barely, there's no water coming out. No pressure. And this is supposed to be a rain shower where it's supposed to really pour down. So it's so freaking annoying. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and buy a new shower head right now because I prefer the water to just pour down on me. There's this therapeutic feeling that it gives me. But y'all, look at this hair, girl. What y'all think? You like it? It's so beautiful. All right, y'all. So that's what I wanted to kick off this vlog with. Let's go to Home Depot and get a new shower head. And I'm hoping I can just find something good and come back because this wasn't my plan to start the day like this. Let's head out. I actually need this. This is always the best. I love the little balloons in the store today.
Yeah, it's so pink.
Yeah.
And white, and blue, and red.
Yeah. It's for Memorial Day. Okay, so we're almost here. This is aisle 37 and this is 36. Okay, I think this brand has it all broken up to where you have to buy each part. If you're buying it, it's not an all-in-one pack, and what I need is an all-in-one pack. This has the whole thing inside. It has everything in it. I want to get a good brand. Whoa. $386 for this one. Uh-oh, I'm dropping things. Yeah, this one is $249, but it's not rain shower. I wanted something, I think this is the one that I currently have, and I don't like these little things. Now I'm here and all the shower heads are here. I need to decide what I'm getting. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get this one because this one has a push button and I don't know how we're going to install that. It may be a bit complex to work with, so I want something that is easy to install quickly and I can start using. So I'm gonna get this one, and it's also rain shower, so which is perfect. I'm gonna get it. All right, we're leaving Home Depot. I got everything in my cart right now. So we're leaving Home Depot. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I think I'm gonna go to the beauty supply by my house and see if they have this hair, just so I can get the black one. But I may be lucky to find it. Let me just go try and see if they have it. So I found the hair, which is this Letitia, and this is the last one. They only have this blonde one, and this is the last piece here. So they don't have it at my beauty supply. Wow.
A little later.
All right, so I'm home from the beauty supply, and look, y'all. I ended up spending, let me see, $222.71 was what I spent at the beauty supply. What was I buying? I bought a wig that I can wear when I'm working out. So I always like to wear short wigs like this whenever I'm exercising. I bought this other blonde wig just to test it out and see how I would look with this short hair. A comb for my son's hair, beads for my daughter's hair, different colors of beads, a comb to loosen my daughter's hair, lace melting spray, pins to hold my curls when I curl my hair, and of course hair to braid my daughter's hair. Oh, and bobby pins, because the other day I was trying to do my hair and I realized I had no bobby pins, so I bought bobby pins. That is everything that I bought at the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna go get something to eat now, and then after that I'll pick up this vlog later in the evening. It's very cloudy outside and it's about to rain. I don't know how I'm gonna go out later with this amount of rain. It's it's annoying because I have plans for this evening, so I don't know how I'm gonna go out if it's raining badly. But yeah, let me go get something to eat and relax for a bit. All right, y'all, so I'm ready to head out for the night. This is my outfit for tonight. This jeans and this top that has these gold stones on it, and of course I'm wearing my new hair. I try to put some curl in it, but I noticed that once you put the curl, it kind of falls flat. So I don't know, maybe this kind of hair you need to use like rollers, or maybe the heat on my curler was too much or something, but it still turned out great. I try to bump it up a bit, but I don't know. But yeah, this is the look for the night, and I am heading out. I'm very late to where I'm going, like 1 hour late. I'm hoping that they still let us in, so I'm heading out. We'll see how that goes.
Next day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, gorgeous. So today is Memorial Day and I am about to get ready to head out to the beach. But first things first, I am making some chicken in the air fryer. This chicken wings right here. I already put it to go into the air fryer because I'm gonna carry them with me, something to eat at the beach. Yeah, so this is something just to eat at the beach. I'm gonna carry my crackers because I love these. They are always, fun to eat. And then I'm gonna pack some drinks to carry along with me. It's going to be an awesome day. The weather is beautiful. It looks sunny out here, but it's actually very nice. It's not hot, it's not humid, which is quite unlike Houston. It is very nice today. So I'm looking forward to having an awesome day at the beach. And of course, you, my happy, gorgeous people, are coming along with me. for Memorial Day weekend. Yay! Yes, you having fun?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God. And then it's gonna start twisting them. Oh no, I could never do a ride like this. This is crazy. Yeah. No way. These kids. Oh no. They're finally coming down. Oh my God, this thing is so scary. They look like they had fun. They are so calm. So we're going to go on this. It goes into the water. It will take us around Galveston Island, and then it also goes in the water. Nice thing to do. We just left Pleasure Pier. We had a great time. We ended up eating there. So all the food that I cooked, we're not gonna eat it. We're running out of time. It's almost evening time, so we need to hurry up. We have a time limit to spend here and also a time limit for the beach. But the weather is so beautiful out here. Alright, so we ended up not going on the dock ride because it was going to take like an hour, 20 minutes. Well, it was going to take 20 minutes waiting to get on it, and then an hour, 20 minutes to go on the ride and come back. And we only have like we only have about 2-3 hours more to spend out here at the beach. So we decided to cancel that and just come to the beach. So right now, I am at the beach, just chilling. I don't know, I don't feel like going in the water again because we've already done too much. So I'm just gonna relax here and do some people watching. The weather is so beautiful, like the air is just amazing. And then there's just people everywhere, like down there, all the way here. I have my swimwear on and I'm sitting under this umbrella with my daughter, just relaxing, having a good time.